Bone is composed of osseous tissue, periosteum, endosteum, and bone marrow. Structure of osseous tissue. There are 4 types of cells: osteoprogenitor cell, osteoblast, osteocyte, and osteoclast. Bone matrix consists of organic matter and inorganic matter. Bone matrix. Bone matrix is calcified extracellular matrix of osseous tissue. Includes organic and inorganic matter. Organic matter is equal to the extracellular matrix of other kind of connective tissue. Fibers consist of type 1 collagen, accounting for 90%. Ground substance includes glycosaminoglycans, structural glycoproteins. The organic matter, or the non-calcified extracellular matrix of bone newly produced, is called osteoid. Inorganic matter. The inorganic matter is calcium phosphate in the form of hydroxypeptide crystal. Hydroxypeptide crystal is in the fine needle shape. They are bound to the fibers by structural glycoproteins and form bone lamella. So the collagen fibers are arranged in bone lamellae. In the pattern diagram, you can see bone lamellae. In one lamella, the fibers are arranged parallel to each other, but the fibers are vertical to those of adjacent lamella, so that it can enhance the supporting ability. Cells. Osteoprogenitor cell, osteoblast, and osteoclast are located at the periphery of the tissue. Osteocytes are located inside. Osteoprogenitor cells are resting cells that can transform into osteoblasts, found on the external and the internal surfaces of bones. Only bone cells that undergo cell division. Daughter cells becomes osteoblasts. The blue arrow points the osteoprogenitor cells. Osteoblasts are located at the surfaces of bone, cuboidal, columnar, or polygonal shape, basophilic cytoplasm. Secretes organic compounds for bone matrix. Secretes organic compounds for bone matrix. That is osteoid. And responsible for the calcification of the matrix. Calcification process appears to be initiated by the osteoblasts through the secretion into small membrane-limited matrix vesicles. Osteoblasts are gradually surrounded by newly formed matrix and become osteocytes. The blue arrow points the osteoblasts. Matrix vesicles are rich in alkaline phosphatase and ATPase, containing calbindin and fine bone crystals. On the basis of matrix vesicles, hydroxypeptide crystal is formed. Osteocytes mature cells and are enclosed by bone matrix, lying in a space called bone lacuna, and the cytoplasmic processes through the fine tunnels termed bone canaliculi. The lacuna and canaliculi showing the communication between these structures through which nutrients derived from blood vessels flow. Osteocytes are actively involved in the maintenance of the bone matrix. These are the osteocytes. Almond in shape, with numerous processes. The green arrow indicates the bone lacuna. The blue arrow indicates bone canalicculus. Osteoclasts rest directly on bone where resorption is taking place. They are members of mononuclear phagocytic system. They are multinucleated giant cells involved in resorption and remodeling of bone tissue. The blue arrow shows one osteoclast. The cytoplasm is strongly acidophilic. At the periphery, you can see a clear zone, the green arrow indicating, which has less organelles, more actin filaments. The surface facing bone marrow is enfolded into ruffled border, increasing the area of absorption. On the surface of bone marrow, the clear zone attaches the bone and forms a closed space, named Horseshoe lacuna, in which absorption occurs.